Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Khan Academy login problems, account and sync errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official Khan Academy app or the correct website address, khanacademy.org. Check your internet connection by opening another trusted website or app to ensure your network is stable. Turn off any VPN or proxy temporarily, because it can block login or cause syncing to fail. If you are on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi, or if you are on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data to test the connection. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic, because incorrect time can break secure login. Restart your phone, tablet, or computer to clear temporary glitches affecting sign-in. If you use a browser, close all tabs, reopen the browser, and try logging in again. Clear browser cache and cookies, then reload the Khan Academy page to remove corrupted session data. Try an incognito or private window to check whether extensions or stored data are causing the issue. Disable ad blockers and security extensions for Khan Academy, because they can interfere with authentication. If you use the app, force close the app and open it again to refresh the login process. Update the Khan Academy app from the App Store or Google Play to get the latest fixes. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Khan Academy, Storage, and Clear Cache to fix sync problems. If the issue continues on Android, clear storage or data only if you know your login details, then sign in again. On iPhone or iPad, uninstall the app and reinstall it to remove broken local files. Verify you are entering the correct email and password, and check for typos, spaces, or wrong keyboard language. If you forgot your password, use Forgot Password and complete the reset from the email you receive. If you log in with Google, Apple, or Facebook, choose the same method you used originally to avoid account mismatch. Check your email inbox for verification or security messages and complete any required confirmation steps. If you see a message about too many attempts, wait 15 minutes and try again to avoid temporary lockouts. Confirm your account is not signed in on another profile on the same device, especially in shared family devices. If syncing progress is missing, ensure you are logged into the correct account by checking your profile name and email. Go to your Khan Academy settings and confirm your role and profile are correct, especially for parent or teacher accounts. Try logging in from another device or another browser to determine whether the problem is device-specific. If you are on a school or work network, ask the network admin to allow Khan Academy, because firewalls can block sync. Check the Khan Academy status and help pages if available, because server outages can cause login and sync errors. Collect details like error text, device model, app version, and browser version, then contact Khan Academy support. After support responds, follow their instructions and test again with a fresh login to confirm syncing works. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.